Hello. Today we are going to talk about the 3D printing or additive manufacturing and its use in our life. First of all, what is 3D printing? It is the process of making three-dimensional solid objects comfortably in shape on this digital model. 3D printing is achieved by the additive process where successive layers of material are laid down in different shapes. 3D printing considered to distinct from other traditional techniques which rely on removal of objects and made by cutting and drilling methods. The 3D printer is a limited industrial robot which can carry out this additive process under computer control. First, 3D printer was made by Jack Hall of 3D Systems Corporation in 1984. The 3D printing technology is used for prototyping in distributed manufacturing in many other fields such as engineering, the footwear, jewelry, education, geographical information systems, in biotech, in dental or medical industries. And 3D printable models are created by the 3D printer that perform print. The information about the shape of the thing is taken by this 3D printer, and to perform this process it takes from several hours to several days, depending on its complexity, shape, size of the thing. And it's all about